everyone, welcome to Kelly's Creative Dream Studios, and today is day one of the 12 Days of Digis 2020 with DearJulieJulie and carabrandoncreations. And what you're seeing here in front of you is my first collaboration for the day one. Let me show you the pages we started with really quick. This was DearJulieJulie's day one. We had 3 relatively nice sized postcards, couple added embellishments, and the Santa. And then with Cara's, we had these really nice tags, a pocket, a postcard, and I've got elements left that I can incorporate into the journal later, but I want to show you what I've done. I started with dyeing 32-pound weight copy paper. This is going to be my pages in the journal. I'm also adding in a couple of these ledger papers that I coffee dyed today. I'm not sure, that one's going to be a cover-up, I'm pretty sure. And then I have these large rectangular placemat doilies from Wilton Cake Decorating. And I have things sliding off the table. Things you probably are going to want to see here in a minute. So, I started with this. We'll set this aside so you can see this. And this was one of the postcards. I added some lace trim. And of course I don't see that spool here now. But I believe it was a Dollar General lace. The poinsettias that you will see pretty much throughout this series are the Christmas poinsettias from Hobby Lobby. And then I've added, let's see, that's all I've got on this one. That's all I've got on this one. Okay. My sugar's been giving me trouble today, so I'm a little shaky tonight. Then I did this postcard, and I took this part, cut this part off with an oval die cut from Stampin' Up! And added it to this postcard from DearJulieJulie. And then I also added this number 432 because on this it says Christmas Wishes. So this is Christmas Wish number 432. The border around here is a scallop edge from off of a mini cupcake liner, and I got these at Dollar Tree. And I'll probably go back and cut these out and use these for page tabs or border trims later on in the journal. The border is cut approximately a ½ inch larger than this to accommodate the corner border punches, and this was from EK Success, I believe. It's an oldie, and it punches out this decorative corner tuck for putting in photos. And I added these little jewel embellishments. These are called Wonderful Gems, and they're from the current Stampin' Up! Holiday catalog, which is good through the end of December. Which would be today, believe it or not. God, it's hard to believe that this December already. Then I took that pocket from Cara Brandon's and the tag, and I didn't do much to the tag except add another one of those poinsettias over top of the pattern poinsettia that was already on here. Added some baker's twine from my stash, and then I used gold stickles from Studio G to kind of come in and do a little bit on the poinsettia so that the veins stand out. And then I brought the Santa up on dimensionals from Stampin' Up! This trim is from an old $1.50 bin at Michael's. I've had it in my stash for years. And then I went back and I added Wink of Stella to Santa's beard and hat. And I also did the Wink of Stella. I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but I've added the Wink of Stella through the snowdrifts on here, a little bit through the berries, and across the top of the tag, just to bring in a little bit more shimmer. And that is my first layout for the 12 Days of Digis 2020 with DearJulieJulie and Cara Brandon. Tomorrow I will be back for day 2, and I can't wait to show you what I've come up with. Remember, The links for these kits are down in the description box below. Go grab yours. Come play with us. And whether you're an elf or not, it doesn't matter. Do your creations and share out on social media what you're doing with the kit using the hashtag 12 Days of Digis 2020. And so that everybody can follow along and see what you're creating. Thanks for joining me in the studio today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I've been getting some new subscribers, so I'm going to be adding to that Shout Out Saturday box coming up on Saturday. So if you are not a subscriber, make sure I can get your name in the box and I can share your channel along with everybody else's. Creative Christmas blessings.